What I really like about the wash sprayer is your ability to mix up different chemicals as you need to be able to clean up whatever your surfaces you're on the house, on your sidewalk, and your whatever. It's not a pressure washer. It's not really meant to pressure wash off stuff, but often all you need is a decent surfactant, maybe a little bit of bleach for some of your organics, all right, and a sprayer that can reach a lot of places. So I'm going to spray down over here because I noticed under the eaves that we have some dirtiness. And then the wash sprayer will draw directly from the bucket through here and take a second to prime, but once it is, you're off and spraying. So the adjustable tip allows you to shoot far and get up, really up into the top of the corners of the building, or when you're closer, you have a wide spray. Cover both sides of your house, and then you're going to come back and rinse. I'm going to go up and shoot the eaves real quick. So the beauty of this, with this rinsing capability and applying the soap, is it's all low pressure. You're not applying a lot of pressure to the house, and you're just getting enough time to be able to perform a good wash up and rinse. So wash sprayer, spraying your chemical and switching to rinsing for house washing is a nice tool for small projects.